Tungsten carbide burrs are precision-engineered rotary tools widely used in metalworking for tasks such as shaping, grinding, and deburring. Their exceptional hardness and durability make them ideal for working with tough materials, including steel and alloys. These burrs enable craftsmen and technicians to achieve smooth finishes and intricate details with efficiency. However, the effectiveness and longevity of tungsten carbide burrs depend heavily on regular maintenance. Proper cleaning and inspection help prevent premature wear, ensuring consistent performance. By maintaining these tools, users can extend their lifespan and reduce the need for frequent replacements, ultimately saving money and improving workflow. Clogging is a frequent challenge encountered during machining operations, particularly when working with burrs. Metal swarf and debris can accumulate within the flutes of the burr, restricting the flow of material and impeding cutting performance. As these particles build up, the tool's efficiency drops, leading to slower progress and increased resistance. This obstruction not only affects the quality of the finished work, but also raises the risk of overheating. Excessive heat can damage both the tool and the workpiece, potentially causing premature wear or failure. Understanding these common clogging issues is essential for maintaining optimal machining conditions and prolonging tool life. When operating any equipment, it is crucial to observe essential safety precautions. Always avoid overheating by following the manufacturer's guidelines and allowing the device to cool down as recommended. During cleaning or maintenance, use appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and safety glasses, to protect yourself from potential hazards. Ensure the area is well ventilated and free from flammable materials. Never bypass safety features or attempt repairs without proper training. By adhering to these warnings, you help prevent accidents and maintain a safe working environment. To properly maintain carbide burrs, several materials are needed for each step of the process. For ultrasonic cleaning, you'll require an ultrasonic cleaner and a suitable cleaning solution, with estimated costs ranging from $80 to $200 for the machine and around $20 for the solution. Wire brushing calls for a fine wire brush, typically priced between $5 and $15. Oiling the burrs requires a light machine oil, which can be purchased for approximately $10. For safe storage, a dedicated burr organizer or case is recommended, costing anywhere from $15 to $30. Altogether, these materials ensure thorough cleaning, protection from corrosion, and organized storage, with total estimated costs varying based on quality and brand preferences. Begin by carefully scraping away any large swarf from the surface, using a plastic or wooden tool to avoid damaging the underlying material. For areas with significant aluminum buildup, work slowly to prevent scratching, and consider using a soft brush to loosen stubborn particles. If manual scraping isn't enough, you can apply a specialized chemical cleaner designed for aluminum residue. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and wear appropriate protective gear when handling chemicals. Rinse the area thoroughly after treatment to remove any remaining debris or chemical residue. This initial cleaning step helps prepare the surface for more detailed maintenance and ensures optimal performance in subsequent processes. To begin ultrasonic bath preparation, select a cleaning solution specifically formulated for removing metal debris and contaminants. Mix the solution according to the manufacturer's instructions, ensuring the correct concentration for optimal cleaning performance. Place the burrs evenly in the bath, making sure they do not touch each other to allow thorough exposure to ultrasonic waves. Set the bath to the recommended temperature, typically between 40 and 60 degrees Celsius, and adjust the timer for a cycle lasting 10 to 20 minutes. Activate the ultrasonic function, which generates high-frequency sound waves that agitate the solution and dislodge particles from the burr surfaces. After the cycle is complete, carefully remove the burrs and rinse them with distilled water to eliminate any residual cleaning agents. This process ensures effective debris removal and prepares the burrs for subsequent use or inspection. To maintain optimal performance and longevity of burr flutes, thorough cleaning is essential. Begin by rinsing the tool under running water to remove loose debris. Next, use a wire brush to gently scrub the flutes, ensuring that any stubborn residue is dislodged without scratching or damaging the cutting edges. For particularly tough buildup, consider using specialized cleaning solutions or ultrasonic cleaners, which can penetrate hard-to-reach areas. Always avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that could compromise the integrity of the tool. Regular cleaning not only preserves the burr's effectiveness, but also reduces the risk of contamination during use. After cleaning burrs, applying a light coat of food-safe oil helps prevent rust and keeps the metal surfaces in optimal condition. This thin layer acts as a barrier against moisture and residue buildup, reducing the risk of future clogging. When storing burrs, place them in a clean, dry container, ideally separated from other tools to avoid cross-contamination. Labeling storage containers can further ensure that burrs remain uncontaminated and ready for use. Avoid storing burrs in humid environments, as moisture can accelerate corrosion and attract unwanted debris. Regular inspection of stored burrs helps maintain their cleanliness and functionality over time. In this demonstration, we compare the performance of a revived burr with that of a brand new burr when working on aluminum. The revived burr, having undergone restoration, is tested alongside the new burr to assess differences in cutting efficiency and overall effectiveness. Throughout the process, we closely monitor the temperature generated by each burr, as excessive heat can impact both tool longevity and material quality. The new burr typically maintains a cooler operating temperature, which contributes to smoother cutting and reduced wear. In contrast, the revived burr may show signs of increased friction, resulting in higher temperatures and slightly less efficient material removal. These observations highlight the advantages of using a new burr for optimal performance, while also demonstrating the potential trade-offs when relying on a restored tool. Regular burr maintenance can lead to significant cost savings over time. By keeping burrs clean and properly aligned, users can extend the lifespan of their tools and reduce the need for frequent replacements. This not only lowers direct expenses, but also minimizes downtime and improves overall efficiency. Calculations show that routine care can reduce annual maintenance costs by up to 30%. Sharing these findings with the tool enthusiast community helps others recognize the tangible financial benefits of consistent upkeep. As more users adopt these practices, the collective savings and improved tool performance become evident across the community. By following the steps we've discussed, you can ensure that your burr grinder performs at its best, delivering consistent results every time. Taking care of your equipment not only improves your coffee experience, but also extends the life of your grinder. Remember, the journey to perfect coffee is one of continuous learning and experimentation. Engaging with other enthusiasts can offer valuable insights, new techniques, and shared experiences that enhance your skills. Whether you're a seasoned barista or just starting out, staying curious and connected will help you get the most from your burr grinder. Enjoy the process and savor every cup.